Hello and good morning. How are you all the students of grade 2? Hope you are all fine. I'm your English teacher Miss Gul, and today we will do the page number 7 and 8 of school workbook. So hurry up, take out your school workbook of English. Today we will learn about the missing letter. हम आज missing letters के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Look at the picture. It's the picture of a bus. What's the spelling of bus? One letter is missing. Us. Which one letter is missing? Tell me, hurry up. I will give you 5 seconds. Good. B letter is missing. The word is bus. What's the spelling of bus? B-U-S. Bus. Go to the next picture. It's a picture of a cat. Dash at. Which letter is missing? Which sound come from cat? At the beginning, k sound. So, which letter come in the blank? Yes, very good. C. Cat. At cat. C letter is missing. Go to the next picture. It's the picture of hen. Hen. Dash N. Which letter come in the blank? Tell me, hurry up. Hen. Ha sound. So H is the blank. Ha and hen. Good. Very good. Look at the picture. It's the picture of a dog. Dog. Which letter come in the beginning? Og is given. Tell me. Dog. Good. D is written in the blank. Car. Ka sound. Which letter gave us the ka sound? Good. C. Car. What's the spelling of car? C-A-R. Car. Go to the next picture. It's the picture of a cow. Which letter come? Ka. Good. C. Very good. Cow. Apple. It's very easy. Everybody know. Apple. Is A letter is missing. Good. Apple. Cup. Which letter is missing? Tell me. C. Cup. C letter is missing. Tap. What letter come in the blank? Tap. T. Very good. Tap. Star. It's the picture of a star. Which letter come in the blank? S. Star. Very good. Box. Ox. Which letter come in the blank? Box. B. Good. Baby. It's the picture of a baby. Which sound comes from the letter baby at the beginning? Baby. Baby. B is the blank. B. It's the picture of bee. It's very easy. Tell me. Bee. Good. Bee. Frog. It's the picture of a frog. Which letter come in the blank? Hurry up, tell me. Good. F. Frog. Sun. Sun. Which the sound come at the beginning? Sun. S sound. So S-U-N, sun. Very good. Pot. Pot. Which letter come? Guess the letter. P. Very good. Pot. Pot. Now hurry up, take out the page number 7 of school workbook, write date. Today is 31st May 2021, classwork, and the day is Monday. Write date and day and do this page. I think you can do it very well. Guess the first letter. The first picture is bus. So write the B, B-U-S. Second picture is cat, hen, dog, and I think you can do it yourself. Now take out the next page and write date and day on the top of the page. Guess the last letter. Now you have to guess the last letter. अब आपने वो लेटर गैस करना है जिसकी एंड में साउंड आ रही है. Look at the picture. It's the picture of a parrot. A last letter is missing. So which sound come at the last? Parrot. T sound. So write T. Bug. The second picture is bug. So what you will write? Bug. Yes, G. Good, very good. I think you can do it very well. Very good. Okay, take care. We'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Bye.